Throughout our life, we long for love, to love ourselves more deeply, and to make greater bonds which are deep with others. I'm Aisha, welcoming you to this loving kindness meditation course. We call it Metta Bhavana as well. It is coming from Buddhism. Metta is a Pali word which means love and kindness for other beings. The fear of loving ourselves and opening our heart to others actually create feelings of pain. But these feelings can also awaken in us a desire of freedom and liberation and willingness to go search for ways of how to know love. In this course, you will discover how the path of loving kindness or Metta Bhavana meditation can help us discover and blossom this virtuistic love which resides within us all. This is the path that can lead to healing physical ailments and disease. It helps with emotional disorder. For those of you with deeper spiritual aspiration, this path is that which can lead all the way to full enlightenment and full awakening. It helps to heal the heart chakra, and helps to cultivate compassion, which we can practice in our day-to-day life for self and for others. It will help you to navigate the stressful world as well as guide you on this path of healing, wellness and self-discovery. Love is the liberation of heart, and that's where this practice ultimately leads us. Metta means positive energy and kindness towards others. Metta Bhavana meditation is a type of Buddhist meditation, and it is a very important part of Vipassana as well. It's easy to love but very difficult to forgive. This course will train you on the art of forgiveness through meditation. This Metta Bhavana consists of 3 video-based guided meditations. Practice of Metta Bhavana, practicing self-love and forgiveness meditation. Forgiveness meditation will let you forgive self and others with ease. Once you are regular with practice of Metta Bhavana and self-love, you will cultivate kindness for all beings, including yourself, family, friends, neighbors, colleagues, difficult people in your life, animals, plants, fish, birds and even bugs. The main technique of Metta meditation involves reciting positive phrases towards yourself and other beings. So, I truly look forward to share this transformational practice with you, as well as pray for you that each and every day of yours is filled with love, abundance and peace. If you have any questions, please message me. I will be happy to reply your messages. I wish you a very good luck and see you enroll in the course. Thank you.